Hello, and welcome. Today, we embark on a journey not to accumulate gold, stocks, or land, but to cultivate inner wealth. Inner wealth is the richness of your mind, heart, and spirit. It is a treasure that cannot be stolen, taxed, or lost in a crash. In this lesson, we'll explore what inner wealth truly means, the pillars upon which it rests, practical exercises to develop it, common obstacles, and how to overcome them. I encourage you to listen not just with your ears, but with your entire being. Let us begin. 1. Understanding inner wealth. Imagine a person with vast financial assets, but plagued by anxiety, anger, or loneliness. Then, imagine someone with modest means, but whose days overflow with gratitude, peace, and joy. Who is truly rich? Inner wealth is measured not by what you possess outside, but by your mental clarity and peace, the depth of your compassion and joy, the resilience of your spirit, your ability to find meaning and beauty in ordinary moments. Inner wealth is the soil from which happiness grows. Without it, all external riches are barren. The pillars of inner wealth. Let me teach you the 4 primary pillars of cultivating inner wealth. 2.1 Self-awareness. Self-awareness is knowing your thoughts, feelings, motives, and patterns. It is the lamp that lights up your inner world. Without self-awareness, you're like a traveler with no map. You repeat mistakes, chase illusions, and sabotage your own peace. 2.2 Gratitude. Gratitude turns what you have into enough and more. It rewires your brain to focus on abundance instead of lack. A grateful heart is never poor. 2.3 Emotional regulation. The wealthy mind does not mean you never feel anger, sadness, or fear. It means you know how to meet these emotions skillfully, to feel them without drowning in them. 2.4 Meaning and purpose. A sense of purpose fills life with energy. Without it, even pleasures become stale. Purpose gives you an inexhaustible bank of motivation and contentment. 3. Practices to cultivate inner wealth. Now, let's move to the practical art of growing your inner riches. Think of these as investments in your inner treasury. 3.1 The daily inventory. Each evening, take 5 minutes to reflect. What thoughts dominated my mind today? What emotions did I feel most? What am I grateful for? What lesson did the day teach me? This practice builds self-awareness and gratitude simultaneously. 3.2 The mindful breath. At any point in the day, stop and take 3 slow breaths. Inhale slowly, feeling the air fill your lungs. Exhale fully, releasing tension. Smile gently. This anchors you in the present, calming the mind's storm. 3.3 Acts of kindness. Set a goal to do 1 small act of kindness daily. A compliment, a helping hand, a sincere thank you. Generosity is interest paid on your inner wealth. It grows each time you give. 3.4 The purpose reflection. Once a week, sit quietly and ponder. What truly matters to me? What do I wish to contribute to the world, however small? How can my unique experiences serve others? Write your reflections down. Purpose deepens when explored. 3.5 Reading and feeding the mind. Choose books, podcasts, or talks that uplift and expand your mind. Guard your mental diet. What you consume shapes your inner landscape. 4. Overcoming obstacles. Just as weeds invade a garden, certain habits choke your inner wealth. Watch out for comparison. It is the thief of joy. Celebrate your journey. Rumination. Going over old hurts depletes mental energy. Notice and redirect. Negativity bias. The mind fixates on problems. Consciously balance it by seeking positives. When you slip, and you will, be gentle with yourself. Start again. Every breath is a new beginning. 5. a parable to remember. Let me leave you with a simple story. A farmer had 2 fields. In one, he planted thorns and weeds. In the other, he planted flowers and fruit trees. Each day he watered both fields equally. In time, one field blossomed with sweet fruit and vibrant flowers. The other grew thick with thorns. The farmer complained of the thorns, not realizing he had fed them just as faithfully. Your thoughts and habits are the seeds. Your attention and time are the water. Choose carefully what you nourish. Conclusion. Inner wealth is not built in a day, but each moment you choose awareness over autopilot, gratitude over complaint, kindness over indifference, purpose over drifting, you make a deposit in your true bank. May your inner vault grow rich beyond measure. Thank you for taking this time to invest in yourself.